Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set the water hardness level on your KARCHER SC3. The reason you would want to do this is because you might be changing your decalcification filter here too early or too late, depending on the water hardness in the area. So I know I live in a hard water area. There are little kits you can buy that will tell you the hardness in your area. And in the instructions here, we have different hardness ranges: soft, medium, hard, and very hard. And it tells you there the information here. Now, on the soft one, it's going to pulse at you once, the little flash. And on the very hard, it's going to be 4. So you need to find out what yours is set to and change it to your setting. By default, I think it should be very hard, but on this one here, it's set to medium, and I want to change it to hard, so it's flashing 3 times. It will make more sense when I show you. Right now, it's plugged into the mains, but it is off. You want to hold down the reset button, then turn it on. Make sure you've got this held down, then turn it on, and you will see after 2 seconds that will flash at you. Now you can let go, and every 4 seconds it's going to flash. And you can see right now it's flashing twice. So that means it's currently set to medium. If I was to hit this, it's now going to change to hard. Can you see it's flashing 3 times? When I hit it again, it will go to very hard. It will flash 4 times. And then if I hit it again, it will go back through to soft, where it will only flash once. So that's how you know what your machine is, and now you can change it to what you want. So I'm going to change it to hard. So you can see now it's flashing 3 times. Now to save that setting, you need to hold down reset for about 2 seconds until the light comes on. There you go, it's on now. Now you can let go. Now that will forever be on the hard setting. When you do this, don't leave it more than 15 seconds, otherwise it will just revert back to the previous setting. But now you can see that if I turn it off and turn it back on again when hitting reset, you will now see that we're on the hard setting by flashing 3 times. So you're going to do this when you first of all buy it, or if you were to move house, you need to change this to the hardness in the actual area. So I'm just going to save that one there. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.